okay, what is humanities? Okay, so it is kind of like it is dealing into social sciences, languages, literature, fine arts, and social sciences. All these four, they are the humanities, right? So if this definition we boil it down, there are 3 points. Anything that is creative in nature can be in arts. Anything that is related to human anthropology, human studies, social, that is part of humanities. And something that is social in nature, that is engineering. As soon as we say these things, it completely widens the horizon, widens the depth of humanities subject matter, the importance. Because लोगों को लगता है, as people have said, Shweta is saying, and others are saying that humanities is said to be the more inferior of the streams. I would disagree completely.
A thought is boiling down in my mind as well. So people are saying this is a stream for weaker students. This is a stream where the job options are less. This is a stream which is meant for those students, those who are not intelligent enough to take science. This has always been the foundation of the education system since the ancient times.
Gurukul system, our Gurukul system, that's all it's all about. It's about the life skills. Yes, it's about some of them is about the mathematics and the sciences, whatever there were there at that time. But majority of the portion was about humanities and the arts. And the fundamental difference between humanities and science is that in science there is a right answer and there is a wrong answer. In humanities there can be n number of answers to a particular question. Okay, why was Ashoka such a great ruler? So there can be tens of answers to this question, and the more answers you give, the more enriching and the more reality based, the more reality based the answer becomes. Because in reality there is no black and white. There are always shades of gray, and that is the strength of humanities. It has always been that to measure those shades of gray and those aspects. That's why it is very important. So there is a very big answer that's written over here. Gaurav, do you mind reading this?
It says a subject within the field of social science, such as economics or politics. When it talks about, this is the 1.1. I'm reading the slide right from the bottom to up. Okay, so you all can read it with me. Social science, a scientific study of human society and social relationships, which is again since the ancient times, since the ages of Gurukul. Humanities, learning concerned with human culture, okay, especially literature, which means touching the aspects of language as well, history, art, music, and philosophy, and the arts. The subjects of study primarily concerned with human creativity, which means a field which requires creativity, right? So there is a space available to fit in if I have from the humanities background and social life, such as languages, literature, and history. Nice to read these Oxford stated statements.
So, like in daily life, also you will find humanities will be helping you more than the sciences. I mean, not in terms of application, but in terms of dealing with other humans.